All right, so good morning, everyone. Hello, hello.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning to. All right, so waiting time is already over, so it's already 11:35. So to start, let me just share my screen. Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So we now only have one topic actually, which is the so-called process management. However, it is divided into four modules. Okay, so let's just go over with the syllabus. So week 2 and 3 is only one topic, which is process management, but it has a lot of subtopics. Actually, five subtopics. So we have processes, threads, and concurrency, CP scheduling, process synchronization, and then lastly is deadlock handling. So what Sri Tandingan did in here is it was divided in two parts. Okay, so for the week 2, so that's process management part 1, which is composed of two modules. So we have the processes and threads. So this one is actually this topic 1 and topic 2 already. Okay, this one module right here. And then this CPU scheduling is this one. So this week 2 is like composed of three modules. Okay, or three subtopics. Okay, which is this one is merged into two. Okay, that's why we only have two modules in total for this week number 2. Okay, so as usual, okay, as usual, you will see here the topic learning outcomes and then the list of topics under this modules. This where is that? This process and trends and then CPU scheduling. And then you will see here the learning resources. So in here, it's quite a lot since processes and threads is already a long topic. Okay, so we have here, yeah, I think this part, up to this part is just this one. Oops, where is that? Processes and threads. Okay, and then this part right here, up to this part is the next module, which is the CPU scheduling. So that is why there's a lot of videos in here. So most of them came from NASA Academy, and then I think there are two or three videos. So we have this one. So this one came from a different content creator. So this one came from Janice Lectures, CSRIT, NET, and GRF. Okay, so she's the one who is going to discuss the FCFS, or the first come, first serve scheduling. Okay, and then we have Boomer, which is a different source, which is this multi-level queue, and then well, this one's still the continuation of multi-level queue. So this one came from Simple Snippets. Okay, so yeah, just in case that you were able to find out that this one I like because let's say the content of this channel, you like how things is being explained, so you might want to check his or her channel, okay, and then check more about operating system. So the same with this Simple Snippets. Okay, so it also has a playlist talking about operating systems, about CPU scheduling. So you might want to visit his or her channel. Okay, so this Simple Snippets. Okay, so aside from NASA Academy, so you might be able to find another source which explains more briefly, more easier to understand, and it's more concise. Okay, so that completely depends on you. Okay, so what is your own preference? Anyway, so these are the things that will help you to understand more about these topics. Okay, or these modules itself. All right. So as usual, we have here the learning materials. Okay, so you will see it right here. So we have two modules, and then we have the watch videos, which is just the same with the module overview, but in here it's just purely attached videos. Okay, and then lastly later on, I'll put here the link of the recorded Zoom meeting of of our meeting today. And what else? So still the same. So we have practice exercises. So some of them came from ProProps, some of them came from Quizlet, Quizzes, MCQs Learn, and then Study.com. Okay. So in here, we now have 4 quizzes and then 1 exercise. So don't you guys worry. They're actually easy to understand. Okay. So especially, just by watching one video, like for example, this one what is FCFS? So you'll be able to answer that just with this one video already. Okay, exercises on FCFS and then quiz on SGF. So you can also find it on the watch videos. So just one video, and then you'll be able to understand on how to um, do or how to solve that certain scheduling. Okay, so we have a lot of scheduling. We have round robin, we have first come first serve, we have PSA, we have MLFQ. Okay, so we have a lot of algorithms that is being used in processing each task. Okay. And then lastly, of course, we have here a discussion. So as usual, this one is just a so you'll be given a box and you'll be given a question where you need to answer. Okay, so in here, so you can read this one, or if you want, you can read more on the internet about process and then threads. So in here, I'm just asking, what is the relationship between a process and thread in an operating system? Okay, so how are they related with each other? Okay, or how they work with each other? Okay, something like that. So I just need your opinion with this one. And then once you're done with the definition, then you can just give me an example on how does a process and thread work with each other on a computer. Okay, and then that's it. And one more thing that I made, and some changes is the score of this case study number 1. So before, this one is 50 points, but I realized that 50 points is too much. So I made this one, all of the case studies in operating system will be just 10 points instead of 50 points. Since I realized that, the quizzes and then the assignments of certain lingan is, the scoring is super low, like 10 points only for this one, 13 points for this one, and then 25 points for this one. Okay, so what I did is just 10 points instead of 50 points. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the week 2. So my next concern is anyone who has a question so far regarding with the week 1 as overview with these 2 modules. Okay, so yeah, that's actually my guess. Well, none of you are asking questions since the assessment is still quite easy. As long as you have the internet, then you'll be able to answer this one. So the same with the case study. Okay, but in here, so there's now some competitions. Well, we have a bunch of examples on this given module, so you can always base that one in here in this module. And if that is not enough, then you can always check the videos. Okay, so some of them are ranging from 10 minutes, 13 minutes, 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay, and what else? So yeah, everything is pretty clear in here. All of the instructions are super clear. So I think you won't be having a problem with these activities. So the due dates of those activities, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 activities, which will be due on November 1. Okay, so you guys have exactly 1 week to finish everything on the week 2. And just a reminder, we won't be meeting next week Monday since November 1 is holiday. Okay, and that is why I will publish week 3. Okay, next meeting. So today is Monday, so I'll publish a week 3 this week. Next meeting Thursday. Okay, so that you guys will have enough time to finish all of the given activities, and you have time to prepare for your midterm exam, which will be on November 8th. Okay, so we now have exactly 2 weeks before your midterm exam. Okay, so yeah, that's only it for my part. So again, anyone who has a question, so basically all of our meetings are actually like consultation meetings. So this is now your chance. This is now your opportunity to ask a question, to clarify something, okay, to add something, to recommend something to subject, anything that you need to say in our course. Okay, so if you can suggest, if you can recommend, maybe, sir, I found a channel which explains operating system a bit more better. So maybe we can, or I can change, and then I can also say that to certain Dingan, since again, all of the contents in here in this operating system came from him, okay, not came from me. So I didn't change anything to see if everything is really effective. Okay. Well, knowing certain Dingan, I know that everything or all of his work is actually like almost perfect. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, so if you guys don't have a question anymore, so again, this is just a short Zoom meeting. So yeah, that's all for my part. So what about you guys? So parang wala talaga, no? So if there's really no question, then I guess that's already it for today's meeting. Okay, so there is a message in here. Sir, dun po ba sa mga videos, lahat po ba papanoorin namin or may specific na video lang? Here's the thing. So while I'm reading, okay, the modules, so I like some of them are already self-explanatory. Some of them are like I've already know them. Okay, especially that we've already uh talk about operating systems, not just in this not just in this subject. So that is why I already have some background knowledge on how they work. So if there's a part that I don't know, so that's the time that I visit this watch videos and then watch that particular topic. Okay, so that's completely up to you. Okay, since this watch videos right here is just to enhance your learnings, okay, regarding with that topic. So it's not necessary to watch everything. If you already know that topic, then you can skip that one. Okay, if you need to know something, then you can watch that particular video. Okay. So I hope I was able to answer your question, Mr. Jasper. Okay. All right, so great. So the only thing that you guys need to worry in here is the scheduling. Okay, the first come first serve, the SGF, the SRT, what else? The round robin, because most of these parts right here, the first few videos, they are just explanations regarding with that part or with that specific topic, specific topic. But some of them are already self-explanatory. So anyway, so yeah, that's already it for today. So again, I appreciate those people who attended our meeting for today. So as always, thank you. Okay, and yeah, keep safe and goodbye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Happy lunch, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Happy lunch, everyone.
Ingat din, sir.
Thank you. Same with you guys. Take care as always.